How can I network online on LinkedIn without being annoying? Well, surprise, it comes down to content. But the good thing is it doesn't have to be your content. It can be other people's content that you leverage to create connections with them. First, your content. Okay, if you post anything, whether that's text or it's a video, if it's image, if it's a live stream, it's an event, doesn't matter, right? You write the copy and you make interesting as possible. You're trying to make it engaging. Now, if you get any comments from people or any DMs from people who are not your first degree connections, thank them publicly on the comment or DM them back and add them because they indicated that they're interested in talking to you even if they didn't hit send connection. Be like, hey, that was a dope comment. I agree or disagree because of this. And you send them a connection and thank them for that comment in that note. You can do that once a day, 10 times a day. If you do that once a day, that's 365 connections a year. If you do it 10 times a day, that's more than 3,500. So on the flip side, if it's other people's content and you're not making content, I don't know why you're not making content. Make content. All right, so other people's content, what you do is you comment on it, something thoughtful, something real, something insightful, and indicate that you actually read the whole thing or watched the video. And then you send them a DM and connect with them, saying, hey, I love that, what you put out because of XYZ, make it super thoughtful, and just connect. That's it. Is that weird? No. It's like you're at a party, you see some dude with a mustache, he's got a great mustache, and you're like, hey, sweet mustache, what's up? A lot of people talk about social media being a party. I don't know if it's a party, but it does act like a party. You can go up to someone, say something thoughtful, insightful, funny, educational, and form a connection, like a real life party. Remember parties?